Hi kids, let's hear the story of Ubiakporokporo, the gift of humility. Once upon a time, in an Igbo village, an old man called together his 3 sons, Obinna, Chike, and Kelechi. To Obinna, he gave his house. To Chike, he gave his farmland. And to Kelechi the youngest, he gave Ubiakporokporo his precious cane. The older brothers laughed. A stick? Osisi sonso. Soon, the house gave Obinna more wahala than rest. Chike's crops began to wither and die. Soon, there was a great famine, Okochikoro. Both brothers struggled, but Kelechi, he kept carrying the cane, wondering, what will I do with this cane now? One day, hungry and confused, Kelechi strikes the cane on the ground while murmuring Ubiakporokporo. In a flash, food and treasures appeared. He shouted, Odegu! This is truly incredible. He shared them with hungry villagers, and word spread quickly. When Obinna and Chike heard of their brother's good fortune, they came in shame. Kelechi, Biko, Baarai, please forgive us. Ani Mejerogi, we wronged you. Kelechi smiled and said, Anaheche Hochi, let's forget about the past. Come, let us eat. And from that day, the brothers lived in peace. Moral of the story: the gift that seems small may hold the biggest blessing. Ụfọdụ oge, onyinye ntakịrị na-abụkarị onyinye nwere ngọzi nnukwu. Like, share, and subscribe.